This iPad problem is iPad unavailable, and this problem occurred so many times input the wrong password. That's why happened this problem. And this iPad model is A2568. Today I'll restore the system, and when I restore the system this problem will be solved. And today I'll show how we can restore this system easily, and you have to be remember, and when I restore this and all data will be erased. Okay, I need to shut down this iPad, press volume up and home button together and select this type C cable, and this is the type C port, and this is the USB type C cable, and connect it with your laptop or computer. Press the home button and input the cable. Okay. And you can see this, and this is connected with our laptop. And let's input the laptop, and here you see this Windows, and I don't automatically run. You just restore this. And here is updating the iTunes, and when I do this job and it's require a update iTunes. Okay, and you can do this, go to the help, and here is you will get the check update iTunes, and you just click the OK, and it automatically update on the iTunes. Okay, restore the system and restore and update. Press it, next, agree, and it's working. Okay, and you can see software is downloading, and this file size is 7.84 GB. Remaining out 2 hours, and my internet speed is very slow, and that's why happening this, and it depend on your internet speed. Okay, after completing the downloading, and your iPad is connected, and here is showing a message, restore it. Press the restore button, restore and update, and here is showing iTunes is restoring, slowly progressing. Okay, it's working. Here is some basic instruction. You just complete this, and it's okay. Okay, after basic setup, and our iPad is complete, and you can see this perfect. Okay, viewers, thanks for watching.